Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Now let's look at some questions on their algebraic processes. Now we have to expand and simplify the following. The first one, A, minus 3x times minus 4. Now to do this, you use this to multiply this. So minus times minus, that gives you what? Plus. So we have plus. Minus times minus is plus. 3 times 4, that's 12. And you put x at the back. So the answer is 12x. Or you write it like this, 12x. Alright, now let's look at the second one. We have 5p minus 4q minus 7q minus 6p. Now how do we solve this? We need to open this bracket. This negative is affecting everything we have inside. So I will use minus to multiply 7q and also 6p, minus 6p. Alright, so this expression turns to 5p minus 4q. Now minus times plus 7q. That gives you minus 7q. Minus times minus, that gives you plus. And we have 6p. Don't forget, if we have minus times minus, that's plus. Minus times plus, that is minus. Minus times plus times minus, that is minus, and plus times plus, that gives you plus. So when the signs are the same thing, you have a result of plus when multiplying. But once they have opposite sign, you have a negative number. Alright, so in this case, now after the opening of the brackets, then we look for the common terms. Now these and these are common, so let me bring them together. So I have 5p plus 6p minus 4q minus 7q. Okay, so from here, when you look at this and this, you can add them together because they're of the same term. So 5p plus 6p, that gives you 11p. So we have 11p. And this one, minus 4q and minus 7q, that gives you minus 11q. Alright? So minus 11q. So this is our answer. Alright, now let's look at the third one. We have q plus r minus r minus t minus r plus q. Okay, look at this expression. Very simple. I will open this bracket with this negative, this with this negative. And let's open the brackets. We have q plus r minus times plus. You know, once you have a number and there's no sign at the front, that means it's having a plus sign. So minus times plus is minus. So that means this will be minus r. So minus times minus, that's plus, plus t. Okay, so open the bracket with this negative. Minus times r, that's minus r. So minus times plus, that is minus q. Okay, minus times plus is minus, so we have this. So now let's look for those ones that are of the same type. We have this q and minus q. So we have q minus q. The minus q is here. So we have plus r and the minus r, and then we also have plus t. Plus t. Okay, we have plus r minus r, and minus r. So we have another minus r. Hope you can see that we have 3 r's there. 1, 2, 3. So plus r, minus r, and the last one plus t. Okay, so now q minus q is 0. When you take q from q, that gives you 0. So that one has gone. So plus r minus r, that is 0. Okay, so we now have minus r, and then we also have t plus t. Alright, so this cannot be joined together. So this is going to be our final answer. Or we write it this way, t minus r. So it's still the same thing with this. Okay, now let's look at the last one. The last one. We have 2x plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Now look at this expression. This one means that we should multiply this base, that is 2x plus 4 times itself. So it can be written as 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 4. It's the same thing as what we have here. Alright, so we want to expand now. Now the method is you pick this first term here, you put it at the front of this, pick the second one at the front of this. So now let's do that. We have 2x, the first thing here, put it at the front of this. So we have 2x plus 4. Now you pick the second term, that's plus 4. Plus 4, you put it at the front of this. 2x plus 4. Okay, so after doing that, you open the brackets. So 2x times 2x. So let's look at it this way. 2 times 2, 4. X times x, x squared. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Now let's look at this. 2x times 4, that gives you plus 8x. Alright? Because 2 times 4 is 8. And we have x. Now this one, let's look at this now. 4 times 2x, that still gives you 8x. And 4 times 4, that is 16. Now when you look at our answer here, you observe that this and this, they are the same term. So you can add them together. You have 8x and another 8x. That gives you 16x. So we have 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. Alright, so this is going to be our final answer. Now let's try this exercise. Expand and simplify the following. Now do this and let me have your results on the comment section. I want to implore you to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, comment, and also share this video. Thanks.